Hello everyone. Thanks for watching Premiere Tips. Today, we are going to make this awesome and simple X-ray glitch transition. And after that, I'm going to show you the more advanced version that looks like this. Okay, so that says, let's launch Premiere and start some cool editing. Inside Premiere, I already got this clip that we're going to use for the tutorial. The first thing we need to create the transition is an adjustment layer. To do this, we need to go to the project panel and click on the new item, and then select adjustment layer. Then you can accept the default settings and click OK. We can now take this adjustment layer and drag it over to the timeline and place it on top of the other two clips. After that, we need to go to the effects panel and search for the invert effects. You'll find this one under the video effects channel. I'm going to apply these effects to the adjustment layer, and we can see the result of these effects right away. Inside the effects control panel, you could also do some adjustments if you'd like. By default, the RGB channel is selected, but you can also pick another one to get a different look. But for this tutorial, we'll just stay with the RGB channel. And by the way, you can also play around with the blend percentage to give this another look. Okay, next we're going to change the duration of the transition. And to do this, we first need to move the playhead right between the two clips. And then I'm going to hold the Shift key and press the right arrow key once to skip 5 frames. After that, I'm going to switch over the razor tool by hitting the C key on the keyboard and cut the adjustment layer at the point of the playhead. I want the transition to last 10 frames, so I'm going to hold the Shift key again and press the left arrow key twice to move 10 frames back. And again cut the adjustment layer at the point of the playhead. Then I'm going to move back to the selection tool by hitting the V key, and then select the cut-off part of the adjustment layer. And then I'm going to remove them by hitting the delete key on the keyboard. Next, we're going to cut the adjustment layer on every couple of frames, and then go back to the selection tool by hitting the V key, and randomly delete some of the parts of the adjustment layer. This will give some flickering effects that will look like this. Next, I quickly want to show you an alternative to the invert effects, and that is the extract effect. You can find this one under the video effects, adjust. If I apply this to the adjustment layer, you can see that it's kinda similar but only black and white. But, for now, I'm going to remove this effect, and we're going to continue with an advanced version of the invert effect. And for this, we need to go to the effects control panel, and go to the opacity section, and then enable the free draw Bezier tool. We're going to use this to create a mask. But first, we need to zoom out in the program monitor, so I'll set it to 10%. And now we've got enough space to draw a mask. You can create any shapes that you like, but for this tutorial, we're going to create this shape. I'm going to animate the shapes from the left to right, and I can do this by enabling keyframes for the mask path. You can do this by clicking this stopwatch icon here to create the first keyframe. Now I'm going to move the playhead to the end of the adjustment layer, and move the mask to the right. This will create another keyframe. With these two keyframes, we've now created this animation. Let's have a look at it on full screen. And that's it for this short Premiere Pro tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then please like the video. That really helps a lot. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.